Hi guys, it's ASBYT and welcome back to a brand new video. Now today we're going to be unboxing the OnePlus 6T Special Edition, McLaren Edition, whatever you want to call it. I unboxed a really top device, got to hang out again with some cracking people, and more importantly, there was a lake there and I didn't have to jump in it. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Right, so first thing to note, ladies and gentlemen, I was a bit silly. I decided to leave my house the day before without taking my microphone with me. So I apologise for the sound that you may hear in this video. Hi guys, it's ASBYT, and if you have been following me on my social medias, you will know that today I am at the McLaren Technology Centre for the brand new launch of the OnePlus 6T Limited Edition McLaren version. I'm super psyched to be here. Massive thanks to the invite, and of course, for you guys at home, you're going to be getting first-hand glimpse of what this new device is all about. Let's take a look. And look at how cool this is. We've got a branded top there for ASBYT. We've also got in there, I believe, the brand new OnePlus 6T. We have our very own Formula One car key to get ourselves into this section here. So what we're going to do, we're going to unbox it, and I'm going to move over there. Some amazing scenery over there. There's a lovely little lake, and if you know the channel, you know I love a lake, so I'm not going to jump in this one though. Let's go and unbox it. Look at that. See, we've got my own little name at the top there, as you can see. So first of all, I'm going to put that on, because that is pretty cool, and then we're going to go over there and we're going to unbox it. Let's go. Right, so this device is of course rocking with the standard Snapdragon 845, 256 gigabytes of storage, a whopping 10 gigabytes of RAM, and very crucially, warp charge. Off comes the papaya orange, and inside, as you can see, we've got the carbon fibre box. It's very nicely presented, to be fair. I mean, that is a way to present a product. The McLaren logo down here, the salute to speed, never settle. The pursuit of speed is forever. So we're just going to put that down to one side, and then inside, of course, we also have the carbon fibre case. And then a message from Pete Lau, the CEO and founder of OnePlus. And then we have our charging brick, which is Warp Charge. Now, Warp Charge is an updated version of Dash Charge, and OnePlus's slogan is a full day's charge in 20 minutes. So you get 50% charge in 20 minutes. So I can't wait to see how that does impact my daily routine. Standard headphone adapter there as well, 3.5mm, and we have this plaque as well, which is pretty cool. And that is certainly going in the YouTube studio. So we've seen exactly what's inside the box. Now we're going to open this famous book. Now, we all had our own, I believe, individual books as well. So my one was the Belgian Grand Prix 1968 track. And here's the moment of truth. There she blows. That is a beauty. So the actual carbon fibre finish is very subtle. You can just see the little logo there, McLaren, and of course this papaya orange trim. And like I said, the carbon fibre is very subtle. You can just about catch it. I'll have some photos going up on Twitter and Instagram as well, so you will be able to see that in more detail. So there you go. You've got the McLaren logo pops up. So this OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition will, I believe, be available on the 13th of December, and it will retail for £649. So it is a bump up in price for that added RAM, the quicker warp charge, and of course the collaboration with McLaren. Of course, I will be doing my full review as soon as the embargo lifts, so stay tuned for that. And if you are new to the channel and are interested in seeing that, make sure you are subscribed. You've turned on the notification bell so that when I post that video, you are notified. I'm interested to know in the comment section below what you think about this device, whether you think that price jump is is worth it. All in all, a thoroughly enjoyable day. Big thanks to OnePlus and McLaren for inviting me down. And like I said, I will have a more in-depth review video of the device itself coming very soon. Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Says BYT, peace out.